So this is the bar installed on the Vevor mill, and the main reason I made these modifications was when those brackets were on here and the two bolts on the outside, to take the chain off you had to take the chainsaw right out of the mill. But the way it's designed now is if you have to take a chain off, you can just undo these two bolts, take the cover off, take the tension out of the chain, and then you can swap the chain out. Another reason was right down in here is the chain tensioner, and with the bracket on here before made it impossible to tension the chain when it was installed in the chainsaw mill. So now I can quickly just put a screwdriver in there and tension it. So these are the modifications that I made to the chainsaw mill in 2024. So these brackets were welded onto the end. I've cut them off, and I have welded a little captive nut on the inside here, and then just put a threaded bolt in. And same with this one, just cut it off the end. I have lost a little bit of length off the bar, which is never a good thing. So I may, in future, if I run out of width, is to weld this back down onto the end here. Then I can just undo these, pull it out, and then turn it around if I need to clamp this onto the end of the bar. So what I'm doing is making a Granberg cutting chain. So this is a skip tooth chain. So what I'm doing is I'm leaving two, and then these two I'm just going to cut down in half. So they'll be the two scoring ones, and then leave two, and then cut two. This is the join, so there's two the same together. But I'll get onto the grinder and I make myself a Granberg chain. So this is the mill all set up. I've got a few logs lined up, so I'll be out in the bush cutting them shortly. So stay tuned and see you on the next video.